On a day like this, when the spring showers are moving in, you can feel pretty good about having a roof over your head, unless, of course, you've got a pesky roof leak that you just can't find. There could be a problem with flashing, or maybe a shingle was torn off during a storm. Either way, you still have to find and repair the problem. If you can't find it on the outside, let me show you some of the things you can look for on the inside. In most cases, you find out about a roof leak by seeing a water stain on your ceiling. To locate the source of the problem, go up into your attic and try to get directly above the stain in the ceiling. If you're really lucky, you can locate the problem right away, but that's rarely the case. More often than not, the source of the leak is some distance away, but this is still the best way to get started in finding that leak. Now, carefully examine the decking and the rafters above the stain location, and what you're looking for is a water trail or stain on the wood somewhere between this spot that's directly over the stain and the peak of the roof. Now, in this case, you can see the stain very clearly. But if you have a little trouble finding a water trail, have someone spray water on the roof with a garden hose while you're still in the attic. Have them start at the lowest point of the roof and work their way up. Make sure they use a spray attachment on the hose to imitate rainfall. Then just be patient. Eventually you'll find the leak, make the repairs, and then you can enjoy the sounds of the falling rain.